share something with you that we've been doing all week long that has just kept us energized, kept protein going in us, kept collagen going in us, and it's called an adrenal cocktail. So I've got all the ingredients in this little bag here. I'm going to get it out and I'm going to give you a look at what has been nourishing our family all week long. So let's have a peek. Okay, let's jump in. Let me show you what I've got in my bag. So this is a new toy. It is a tool, but it kind of feels like a toy. It's a milk frother, but it works great for making your protein powders get really smooth. So I'll put an affiliate link underneath our channel once we are monetized. So if you want to help us, click subscribe, share our videos, and get the love out of how to nourish your body. Come along my journey. I haven't arrived yet, but I'm on my way. So come along with us. This stuff is gold. It's been on sale, and it's just grass-fed collagen powder. And Costco has had it screaming on sale, so I bought 4 cans every time I went. So I'm going to get that ready. Hopefully we don't knock anything over. Okay, so that's ready. So this is an adrenal cocktail. What's an adrenal cocktail? While I'm getting everything ready, an adrenal cocktail is something that is going to deeply nourish your adrenals. Right on in. Okay, so I know I'm telling you what the benefits are. An adrenal cocktail nourishes your body with all kinds of goodness, but what it does is it wakes up your adrenals. I don't know about you, but I tried low carb over and over and over. I'm going to try and fight the wind. Okay, so adrenal cocktail. It nourishes your adrenals. It gives you energy. I'm going to make it as a meal replacer, so I'm doing 2 scoops of collagen in it. So we're going to put in about 8 ounces of coconut water right in here. Now I have my thermos here because when I get done making this, I'm going to pop it in the thermos because I'm going to drink mine later tonight for a nighttime snack. And if you know anything about pro-metabolic, 3 small meals, 3 snacks a day, all of them with protein, fat, and carbs. So here we go. Let me get this out of the way. So here's your coconut water. Rachel's going to probably occasionally get a close-up. We'll see. We'll do our best because we're at the ocean. Oh my gosh, it's been a great week. Okay, so what we're going to do next, I've made probably 25 of these this week. My family loves these. A lot of people make it with orange juice. I make it with cold-pressed pineapple juice. I personally can only handle fresh-pressed orange juice, and fresh-pressed orange juice doesn't happen during the summer because oranges are ridiculously expensive and they're not fresh in the summer. But in the winter months, I made fresh-pressed orange juice. So that's 2 scoops of collagen. That's what's making it a meal replacer. All right, now I've got a new frother. We had another one, and it kept using up batteries. This one's rechargeable. So all I'm going to do is just give that a good buzz. That's pretty neat, isn't it? Whoop, whoop. Very smooth protein powder. All right, and then a long hold turns that baby off. If you get that wrong, you paint the house. Okay, a pinch of salt. And I use Redmond's real salt. Delish. Good stuff. Their analysis on this salt is off the chain. That's taking care of your adrenals and it's taking care of your body. Now, you can or cannot, if you wish, add a little splash. When I do OJ, I always put a little splash of maple syrup. It's adding some minerals in, not a ton, like a half a teaspoon at the most. All right, so we've got our collagen in, grass-fed. There's lots of brands, there's lots of good products, some organic coconut water, and then maple syrup. We buzz that up a little bit. And now what we're gonna do, this is gonna be our carb. We're gonna add that in. It's this easy. So 8 ounces of your juice of your choice. I try to always do some kind of tropical. So it's either gonna be, for me, it's either pineapple. In my family, I do orange juice with theirs all the time. But this is what I do for me. All right, and then you're gonna add a couple tablespoons, 1 or 2. I do a splash of organic heavy cream. If you've got access to raw cream, go for it. I do, and I do that when I'm at home, but when we're out and about, that's not what we're doing. And all we're doing now is we're gonna do just a quick little tap. And I did it. I'm famous for this. But I make 4 a day. It's a new one. And if you hit that button wrong, it goes to the high setting and it's like over the chain fast. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in my thermos. And this is just a Walmart thermos. Thing works awesome. I've had this thing for like 5 years. And this is going in. And it will stay cold as ice until I'm ready to drink it. And then, of course, we have to have a sip. It's amazing. It's like a dessert drink. Yum. Try this once. And look up pro-metabolic. And feel free to do some research on adrenal cocktails. This is my version. This is not anybody else's recipe. This is just what works for us. Now we do orange juice for the kids. The kids don't always get coconut water, especially when Costco doesn't have the big ones on sale. When they have the big ones, everybody gets the coconut water. I mean, they like the coconut water, but they don't care either way. So when you're doing for a child, you're just gonna do 8 ounces of your juice and then 1 scoop of collagen. And you can do a little splash of your maple syrup and a little shake of your salt. Blend it all up. It's delish. And your adrenals will thank you. And if your adrenals are happy, your energy level is happy. So thanks for coming to our meanderings at the coast, the East Coast. We love this ocean. This campground is our favorite. We've been here, I don't know, probably a dozen times in the last 25 years. It's a campground, so we've been camping all week. And the cool thing is we've made all of our food. We brought grass-fed everything and healthy stuff. And we have saved so much money. We do eat out, so we always visit things. So we've eaten out at some nice seafood places. But this is how our family has stayed hydrated, nourished, and happy while we've been here. Thanks for dropping in. And again, please share our videos if you enjoy them. If you like them, give us a thumbs up. We answer all of our comments. And thank you, Radiant Rachel, for being our videographer and our editor. The end. Thanks for coming by, y'all. Sweet cleanup crew. Sun is setting. Yeah, baby.